So I'm going to invite Rick Johnson and Dr. Musharraf Zaman for the closing remarks. So we're going to start off with Rick and then Dr. Zaman.
Thank you, Musharraf, very much. I appreciate that. Good afternoon, everyone. In closing remarks, I'd offer to you that we have great challenges and great opportunities ahead of us. And with the collaboration and leveraging of all the resources that we have between our industry partners, professional service consultants, our academic institutions, our federal, state, and local governments, as well as our construction contractors, I know we'll meet them and make next year and every year after it the best it could possibly be. I'd like to personally thank the organization committee, the ODOT research personnel, the University of Oklahoma, Oklahoma State University, and more specifically, Dr. Zaman and Dr. Molina for such an amazing online research event that we had today. I'd also like to give a resounding approval and acknowledgement to all of our hard work and all of the hard work and diligence that the students put forth in the posters and videos that were presented. Also, what a distinguished list of speakers we had today. Thank you very much for your time and dedication to transportation and transportation research. Lastly, I'll leave you with a call to encourage you and you and your families to please utilize your seatbelts. All too often I'm provided fatality reports that denote the lack of seatbelt utilization. So thank you, and remember, seatbelts do save lives. Dr. Zaman?
Thank you very much. I want to reiterate what just Rick said. When we were planning this online event, we were a little nervous, but it really worked out perfectly, more or less. So first of all, I really would like to thank our students. The reason actually, personally, I feel that this is very exciting event is because of our students. This is the first time we had 42 posters from 10 different universities from our graduate and undergraduate students. They spent a lot of time in preparing these posters. So please, whenever you have an opportunity to thank them, they are our future. Indeed, they are. So whether, and a special congratulations to those who won awards, but even if you did not win, I think the fact that you spend time to participate, I think certainly that will help you and you will win in future. We also had the largest number of demo videos this time. And I see Dennis here and Jason, both of you had demo videos and others. So thanks again for actually finding time and actually doing a wonderful job in preparing these videos. So they will all the posters and the demo videos will be there for people to watch who could not, participate, today. So they will be there. So please take benefit of that. So Rick, I just want to reiterate. I think we had wonderful, 2 keynote lectures. They did a wonderful job. We had 9 presenters, from 6 different universities. So this particular event has really become much more regional than and national than ever before. So I think if we keep doing that, because I believe that a lot of transportation problems are not specific to Oklahoma or not even specific to Region 6. So it is great that our colleagues, are willing to share their experience and we can learn from each other. I want to, thank our 2 moderators, Rick and Musharraf. I know it is a challenging thing when the program is kind of loaded. So you did a wonderful job in actually, making sure that everyone got a fair chance to make a presentation and an opportunity to answer questions. David Wooden did a great job in managing the poster session and also, making presenting the awards. We also would like to actually thank our attendees. I think I was looking at the numbers. I think the numbers actually, fluctuated between 200 to 230. This is a great, for any program, attendees are really the backbone of any program. So we greatly appreciate everyone who found or made time, to attend this event. Your presence really made a big difference. and made this program, this event successful. I want to thank our IT people at OU. You know, they in the early morning when I was having difficulty in joining, you know, I was in a panic mode, but I think things did work out. By and large, the technology does work, and we have seen that today. And I think I'm sure that we'll see more in the future. So thanks to OU IT for actually stepping in and with their help. Particularly thanks to Dr. Molina for working with the IT folks. You know, one thing I learned, Dr. Molina is really a wonderful, wonderful person to work with. But I could see that, you know, he could actually handle multiple things. You know, I don't know, when I called him, he had 3 or 4 other calls that he was answering. And I'm particularly thankful. This particular event is a great opportunity, you know, for Oklahoma State and University of Oklahoma to work with our ODOT colleagues. I think they spend significant amount of time, you know, meetings after meetings and discussing all of these, you know, details and to make sure that things are, you know, everything is addressed. So I'm going to actually go over these names and recognize them. From ODOT, we had Brian Cooper, we have Ron Curve, Gary Hook, Brian Hurst, David Wooten, Wayne Rice, Teresa Thompson. From University of Oklahoma, we have Susan Atkinson, we have Bailey Hopkins, Michael Molina, Dominic Pittenger, and myself. And from Oklahoma State University, we have Joshua Lee. He did a fantastic job in organizing the poster session. Really, really wonderful job. And the program that you have was put together by Margarita from Gallogly College of Engineering at OU. It is indeed a privilege for all of us to work with you all. And personally, I look forward to working with you. And last word, Rick.
Absolutely. Kudos to you and your team and the SPTC group. What a wonderful event we had today. I know that we are all a little disappointed that we couldn't be together in person and enjoy those times together, but I don't think that the event could have gone off any better than it did today. Really very little issues whatsoever. That's a testimony to the time and dedication of all the professionals involved in that. So with that, I think I will leave us with a thank you for all and everyone's presentation and, you know, ongoing participation. And I wish you all safety in these trying times. Thank you.
Thank you.